round of severe weather possible for much of our state.
Yeah, you guys have been talking about a possibility for straight line winds, tornadoes. What time is all of this expected to move in tomorrow?
Well, it looks like the afternoon. Unfortunately, kind of the worst time. I know a lot of people will have Good Friday off and will be wanting to get out of town for the Easter holiday. So it's coming at a very, very bad time, unfortunately. And normally with this kind of stuff, timing is everything. If the impacts happen at night or during the afternoon, it's really the worst time. So let's talk about it. A weather-aware day in effect until midnight on Thursday. Why do we issue this? Well, storms possible from early afternoon through the evening, and it's the impacts as well. The main threat will be damaging winds, small hail, and isolated tornadoes. Now, the main threat will be those damaging winds. The small hail and isolated tornado threat is lower. We're not going to rule out anything. And if current trends hold, the forecast has been pretty accurate for the last 12 hours as far as the model consensus goes. If it holds, an upgrade to a weather alert is likely, and that would obviously be a little bit more serious of a situation. That would be tomorrow. And Storm Track meteorologist Ashley Gann will be in on the CBS 42 Morning News to let you know about that. So why is all this happening? Well, we've got a couple of different ingredients in place. The first one, over the last day or so, we've had an increase in southerly flow, more moisture in the atmosphere, and a deepening area of low pressure. Now, this thing has produced a ton of snow and now severe weather right near the Iowa-Nebraska border. But you've got snow from Denver all the way through Minneapolis and Wisconsin, through the upper peninsula of Michigan into the Great Lakes states, a large area of low pressure and a lot of energy with it. So we're going to expect this to move in. What we can expect for tonight, though, a quiet night, mostly cloudy with milder and breezier conditions with south winds at 10 to 15, 58 for your morning low tomorrow. But it's after tomorrow that things do start to unravel a bit. We've got a slight risk of severe weather. That's for tomorrow. Now, it's not the highest of the risk, but it's definitely not the lowest of the risk category, so it still packs a punch as far as the risk categories go. So this is still bearing some watching. So this is Storm Track Futurecast. We've had a better consensus over the last 4 to 5 hours with the models coming into agreement, and Futurecast is one of those. We will have some light rain early in the morning on Thursday, and that could provide a slick morning commute, but none of these showers are going to amount to too much, just some light and moderate rain. Then the squall line approaches, and it looks like it's going to be a broken line at first. Right around 1 to 2 o'clock, it enters West Alabama. Folks in northwest Alabama could be on the lookout for this, and then kind of breaks up a bit. But we've got a secondary line that will be moving through by 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon through West Alabama, and this is the one we're going to have to watch. By 5 to 6, it approaches the I-20-59 corridor. That does include Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, up to Gaston and Anniston. By 8, 9, 10 o'clock, it moves through West Alabama and then exits stage right through Georgia after midnight. All modes of that severe weather are possible, but the main threat being straight line winds, and unfortunately right during the afternoon time. So temperatures right near 70 tomorrow. Thunderstorms will be likely, with some of those being severe. Southerly winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. It's going to be breezy even if you don't see any severe weather. Lots and lots of wind out there. Weather aware for Thursday could possibly be upgraded to a weather alert, but after that, things look nice on Friday and Saturday. And once again, have to talk about rain and thunderstorms on Easter Sunday. Just a mess, but temperatures moderate and things clear out by the start of next work week. Guys, back to you.